My name is Chamisa Edmo. I am 31 and I live in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I actually have an academic background in tribal sovereignty and tribal law. From there, I've pivoted toward technology because I see it as a tool that isn't being used by tribes in the way that it can be because of a lack of awareness. And I also see a whole sector of economies that's leaving and omitting indigenous people from around the world. I wasn't very sure where the correlation was between natives, specifically like the tribal issues I work on, and Europe. But after being here, I recognized very deeply how this relationship affects industry, how this relationship affects political movement, how this transatlantic relationship can thereby affect tribal sovereignty and how things are going in the US. I can see exactly how tribes can use this knowledge and awareness to further our sovereign rights as nations, quasi-sovereign nations within the US, and how important it is to build networks of indigenous people to also show the diversity and the power of diversity in the United States. So there's a power there, and it's exciting. So seeing the workings of how everything kind of, the processes and relationships between countries, even in the EU, and understanding that a little bit further has been super helpful and enlightening, and as far as understanding kind of how tribes can potentially fit in on a bigger stage in the world. I'm so grateful to be able to participate in this program because it brings together such a diverse group of US young people. So by selecting individuals that have that contemporary perspective and a historical knowledge that isn't generally highlighted, I think that this organization is doing a wonderful job at kind of changing some of that tide. So I'm excited to continue to build these relationships into our futures, because we're all at the very beginning right now. So it's exciting to consider where we're going to go in the future.